I mean, this is quite the jewel. It came all assembled with the shroud and the fan. Really nice. Welds look good. Really nice welds. And very inexpensive. Let's see if it holds water. Well, as is usual, a couple holes drilled in the phalanges. Some new hardware. It's a little crooked if you look at that. And if you look at the tops here and here, they're a little bit off. And you look at this gap over here, it's a little off. It's acceptable to me because it's going to get a grill in the front. You won't see those gaps. And it's just, you're overly critical of yourself usually when you're building stuff up that close. And I'm not Chip Foose. Alright, so we're going to make gumbo for my friend's birthday. There was some water in a pan, so we're letting it get out of there before we add the flour. Where's the big spoon? We're going to use the big spoon. It's a very large spoon. Whoa, it looks really big in the camera. We're going to use a big spoon to stir the flour to make the roux. Happy? Stick it in, just make sure. Oh yeah, here he goes. Ready? Alright, here we go. Just double batch. Stir, stir, stir. I'll turn it down. That's double batch, so 4 cups of oil and I don't know, can't remember. 4 cups of oil and 5 cups of flour, I think. So almost 2 to 1. And you just stir, stir, stir. You're looking for a caramel colored brown.
I'm right here.
Yeah, baby. You're stirring like you've been smoking pot. Huh?
Stir faster!
Yeah, it's starting to bubble, so I turned it down pretty good. My drinks up in the house.
What are you doing, Brian?
Just making sure it doesn't scorch.
What?
I don't want to scorch it.
Scorch your mom.
Kind of like rude and hurtful. See what happens? Bert feels he has to take over because I get distracted.
It's not my fault.
I felt like there was components of the bottom that were not getting scraped properly. With
I was touching it.
Haphazard, pot smoking, thought process.
What?
There we go.
You've seen it, huh?
There it goes.
Oh shit, there's a fish in there.
Something's gonna happen.
It's potato pancakes.
Don't grab that. That's one.
You're hot.
Yeah, so it's starting to get dark. You can see it's thickening up and it's getting darker. And we're going for a dark roux, so we want it caramel, dark caramel color. So it's really close. Sorry, guys.
Shuffle the caramel juices.
It's not caramel.
Getting close. You can see it thickening up.
Yep.
And it's almost like, why would you even eat that, is the color that you're looking for.
Why would you even eat that?
Yeah? Is that the color you're looking for?
Right there.
You think so?
I think so. It's gonna get a little.
I'll keep stirring it.
It'll get a little bit darker as it goes.
Yep.
Are you setting that on the ground?
Yep.
Why?
Because the ground is sterile. This is my shop. Boom, ding. Woo! Alright, so now one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Stir.
7, 8.
Close your eyes.
Let's go with a 9, just to make it even.
How many cups?
8. really nice. Yeah. All right, return to the medium heat and stir those fuckers till they're cooked, buddy.
Turn the heat down. Cut me down a bit. Do that barehanded.
Oh man. Woo. Ah. Yep.
Now what are you doing?
Just cooking those a little bit.
What are you doing, Brian?
Just cooking them. Cooking.
All right. Go back up to temp.
Yeah, we're starting to bubble.
All right, ready?
No!
Yeah.
Ah!
Stir. So we're adding 10 quarts of water. And now we're going to bring her to a boil. A burl.
How hot is the burrow?
One burl.
One burr.
What you doing, white bird burl? You got some stir going on, my friend?
Getting there.
Oh! Oh no! Our burr went out! There's the onions and the roux and the water. Kind of getting it on. Bring it to a boil, and then we're going to add our garlic, all of our seasonings, our parsley, and let her boil down for a minute. Alright, so we've added all of the seasoning, and we got it at a medium boil after boiling it for about a half hour. And so now we're going to let her boil for about an hour.
Tequila.
And someone's been drinking, and then we'll throw the meat in. So
Yep,
we're
there's the meat.
in holding. Yeah, we've got to butcher the dog. No, seriously. So it's almost ready, you know, in 45 minutes or so for the meat, and then we're good to go. You recording? Hey, it's an hour later. We're gonna add the meat. We got the, yeah, all that stuff in there. Here's the sausages. Watch yourself, G. Uh-oh.
Yeah, doggy got some.
And
Oh god, that looks good.
that should have been 6 pounds of sausages, and this
6
is like
pounds of sausage.
10 pounds of chicken. So
10 pounds.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to use my grubby paws. Sorry.
You want me to spoon it in?
Oh, it's still half frozen.
You want a spoon with the chicken?
I'd spoon with the chicken.
Apparently,
Pooping chicken.
I smell burnt hair.
That's weird.
Uh-oh.
Dingo!
It's fine. The dogs can eat it. It's only like a little bit.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Well, I have it back.
You can have
What's that, Brian?
gumbo. Soup.
Soup.
That looks so
Fancy
yummy.
soup.
So then just
Now
let
it's
that
starting to
cook
look like
up.
some gumbo.
Yeah, gumbo.
Gumbo.
Can't say that on the internet.
Man? Oh, it's really got the thickness coming in now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
So the only thing that's left after we bring this up to a boil is turn it down, let it sit for about a half hour. We'll throw the langostinos in and shut the heat off, then throw the langostinos in, and then 20 minutes later it's time to eat. So
Presto bingo.
presto dingo. Yay.
Nope. What's the
Jed.
Special Jed. You make special Jed down there.
There's stuff everywhere. You can't go.
He gets car sick.
It's an RV. It might be different.
Hey, you know what I thought
What do you
about?
have done?
I thought about if my mom couldn't go back. That was the one thing I thought about. Shipping her in the RV.
That thing was so much fun to drive.
Dude, when we went down, you missed when Drew and everybody, all the kids, went down in the RV. We had a friggin' blast.
Oh, y'all went down in that?
Not in that one. We
Oh,
bought
oh.
one, and we had a 28 footer. D,
Five bucks.
Spencer, Casey,
Oh, how fun.
Me,
Yeah, it's Paula.
Dingo, Leia, Timmy, Dillon, all went
Oh,
down.
shit.
All went down. There was so much room. We were just bopping around. And Drew. She couldn't find quite enough andouille sausage, so she had to just do regular smoked sausage. So
Kielbasa?
it's gonna have
You can undo in my pants.
I'll undo your pants. You want to get it on video? We'll go viral.
Oh, gosh. It
Oh,
makes me
jeez.
think about that guy's video that he did from shooting that deer. He's like, don't say anything. Don't say any shit, man.
He goes, don't say any homo shit, man.
Oh, really?
He just killed this big
Fuck,
deer.
man.
Yeah, don't say any homo shit, fuck. And then it's like, wait, what'd you just say though?
Don't say this. That's what he's like. Don't say
He's
the
like,
C word.
Yeah, he was like, we gotta look professional, but he's saying all this shit, but he's really trying to be serious because he's so excited over his kill.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah,
that's
buddy.
right here in my zone.
Are you happy? It looks good, doesn't it?
No, that's just what happened.
What happened?
You just
What are you talking about?
You just got that all over me. That
Sorry,
was so rude.
sweetheart.
Oh, how rude.
He just tainted me.
Rude.
He just
I
poisoned
bet you
me.
he forgot somebody was back there. He's usually more courteous than
Well, I forgot to film putting the langostinos in, I'm sorry, the crawfish tails, but there she goes. It looking pretty good. It's got all the meat in it. When it gets over the top of some rice, it's going to be right on the money. But yep. Oh, look at that. Yeah, buddy. I think they're back with the vodka. Custom made spoon. Woo!
them wells.
Yeah, baby. Those are good welds too.
She's saying she's like, she's trying to take advantage and she just can't.
It's cool in there.
But this is the scoop from there, but potato salad first instead of rice.
Look
And
at
then you scoop all
you.
the juicy on.
Oh. So that falls right in with the Southern whole one pot cooking thing there. Well,
I actually went to the internet yesterday.
this is the third.
and found what should I serve with my gumbo. And it said
Tater salad.
crusty bread, and white rice. That's what you have up here.
Yep.
I
Look
like
at
it
that.
we don't have any bread. The fuck we don't. God
Yep.
damn it.
This is the third bin of rice, which is really good. Lots of people here. Everyone, I think, is enjoying it. Mama did a good job putting it all together.
The caramel cake was the.
Even the kids are liking it. The dogs are begging, but they're loving it. Miss Catherine, no faces, says it's just right. Oh, yeah, just right. She's empty, and she says it's just right on the spice. So everybody did good. Happy, 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 happy.